The new uClean wet-dry cleaning vacuum cleaners from STARMIX. Innovative technology and superior quality rooted in a long tradition and years of expertise. Made in Germany, suitable for almost any field of application. Whether in industry, in the office, in the workshop, or for general cleaning tasks, wet and dry. uClean LD and Standard, the universal vacuum cleaner for the professional. The powerful high-speed motor creates an enormous suction. With 20% more performance and a significantly higher flow rate and suction than comparable engines, it is strong enough to get any job done. The perfect cleaning will be achieved by our proven and innovative cartridge filter, which is cleverly located around the motor shaft and creates more volume in the container. The filter can be easily removed by a thumb screw for cleaning or replacement. Even large amounts of liquids can be absorbed easily. Our patented water stop technology avoids damage to the engine head by cutting off the air supply to the motor when the container has reached its maximum capacity. The new patented Smart Stop combines 3 innovative functions in one piece, as a foot-operated parking brake for a safe stand, as underrun protection with ramp function, as well as a handle and discharge aid. In addition to the normal suction, the uClean is additionally equipped with a blower function. Vacuuming and blowing is therefore possible with 2 hoses in a single operation and with a blowdown of 215 km per hour. The proven STARMIX bayonet mount provides a tense connection between the hose and container that is both robust and durable. The ergonomically designed handle serves as an ideal hose spool. The additional hook includes a plug locking device used to store the cable easily and safely. In addition, there is a large storage space under the handle. Thanks to the non-wobbly installation of accessories and parking positions, you always have the necessary accessories at hand. In that way, an easy one-handed transport including all accessories is possible. The large rocker switch can even be operated comfortably by foot. The Eco mode makes the vacuum cleaner the ideal partner in noise-sensitive areas. The uClean is the perfect companion for cleaning work in industry. Whether it's stubborn dirt and metal shavings, liquids or wet dirt, the uClean sucks everything effortlessly. Or in the office, the quiet eco mode of the LV device is ideally suited for office environments and provides low noise cleaning even during business hours. The strength and features of the uClean make it the perfect tool for cleaning tasks in garages or commercial buildings. Both coarse and very coarse dirt, such as in the engine compartment or on the floor mats, and hard-to-reach areas in the vehicle interior can be cleaned powerfully and easily. The extreme suction force of the uClean always delivers the result that counts: perfect cleanliness, whether with nozzle or without nozzle, whether wet or dry, whether inside or outside. Thanks to the many holding positions for accessories and standard extensive features, no distance is too far and you are prepared for a variety of applications. The new uClean wet-dry cleaning vacuum cleaners from STARMIX. Quality, made in Germany, made for you.